We are seeing the impact Ian is having on Tampa.
Local 10's Janice Fernandez is in Tampa to show us conditions there right now. Janice.
Nicole and Calvin, Tampa getting quite a punch from Hurricane Ian. The wind and rain has been relentless all day long, and officials are really warning residents to hunker down and to be ready for a long night ahead. The Tampa Bay area bracing for a rough 24 hours. Hurricane Ian, although not directly hitting Tampa, expected to continue bringing relentless rain and wind. Earlier, the wind direction causing this, a reverse storm surge. The water in Tampa Bay pushing back out, allowing people to briefly walk around and get a close look at the spectacle.
I'm a commercial fisherman, so I'm on this water every day. So, I've never seen it like this.
We're here at the Davis Island boat ramp. Take a look over here. You see all of these sailboats moored right now. They are swaying back and forth in the wind. And what's interesting is if this water pushes back even further, a lot of these sailboats could end up on their sides. But police warning the winds will change, causing the water to rise quickly. As the hurricane moves in, officials also warning they will not be able to help anyone in need while conditions remain dangerous, hoping people listened to those evacuation orders. And let's talk about some of those dangerous conditions. Right now, you're looking at a picture of downtown Tampa, and that is where there is a significant amount of debris out on the roadway, and that's why police right now are blocking off that area of downtown. They don't want anyone trying to drive out on the roadways. Now, you may remember that I have been saying that so far Hurricane Ian has mainly been a wind event here in Tampa. That doesn't mean that we won't see flooding. That is still very much a possibility as the rain has been relentless. But what people really are going to be looking out for, especially throughout the night and when we start to get that daylight tomorrow and are able to drive around, is that debris that we're probably going to see in many parts of the Bay Area. And important to note, I talked about some of the numbers when it comes to those power outages. So Hillsborough, Pinellas County reporting that 50,000 customers are without power. But this storm is affecting the whole state of Florida, and right now the numbers that we're getting is that over 1 million people throughout the state of Florida currently without power. That is quite significant, and of course we will be here as we continue to deal with Ian's wrath. For now, that's the very latest. Reporting live in Tampa, Janice Fernandez, Local 10 News.